Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking and another installment of Soul Food Sunday. Today, I'll be making peach cobbler hand pies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 pound of frozen peaches, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 box of pie crust. For the topping, you'll need 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Now add your peaches and bring to a light simmer. Now add the sugar and brown sugar, then mix until your sugars have dissolved. Add the cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, and lemon juice, then continue to cook for 10 minutes or until your peaches are tender. After 10 minutes, turn off your heat and set your peaches aside until later. Now roll out your dough and cut into round pieces. Now add your peaches to the center of the dough, then fold your dough in half. Now lightly press down your edges to seal your pie, then using a fork, crimp your edges. Using a sharp knife, cut 2 vent holes on top of each pie. Now brush them with the butter, then top with sugar and cinnamon. Place the pan in your preheated oven and allow them to cook for 20 minutes or until your pies are golden brown. These peach cobbler hand pies are delicious and they go great with extra peaches and ice cream. I really hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to search the hashtag #SoulFoodSunday, and don't forget to stop by Cooking with CJ and Smoking and Grilling with AB to see what they're cooking up for this Soul Food Sunday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.